Hi, welcome back to Tony Lee's YouTube channels. Anyway, today we show you guys how to keep your tool and how to keep it clean and make it last longer, because sometimes if you do the wrong way, the tool bits that gets dull so quick and damaged so quick, and even that the brush, that's more the main key we working on, and make sure that's the one we keep it clean and safety, and make sure the hair is not get so dry and damaged. So today we start how to talk about the brush first. So guys, I have the brush here. So what happens is my brush gets kind of have some product that a little bit there. So normally we'll shop with the acetone, but I don't want to do that because I dry my brush, damage my brush, and it's kind of main thing. The brush have to have this hair have to be smooth. So the smooth hair to get, the easier apply the product. But my brush that get a little more like powder sticking there, so I soak them a little bit for a few hours in a liquid, and a nail liquid by the way. So liquid is still melt the leftover from the powder. So what we do next, if we have something like a big chunk of the glitter on the brush, so I can have to go pushing them. You might pushing to push slightly, not too much pressure there. So when you push all the product out and then it's still stuck there, you can kind of put it back and stop them a few more hours. But normally this liquid they let dry on the brush. If you stop and with acetone, they more dry and damage the brush. And I do this way, you can keep your brush last over a year. So what you do is, after all things gone already, I just go ahead to clean up. Every time you finish the application of product and use your brush, you make sure you're really clean. Now I want to touch the top of the brush. I have to wear a glove on because I don't want to make my hand dry. So I go ahead to set them how the way I want to be, where the guide of the brush, where I pin the brush, and like you can see right, I pin the brush on this side here, so that's a really pin. So however, if I ship this, if I pack this one go to the show, right, I have to rotate the brush, moving and damage the brush, so I go ahead to put a top course to rotate them, just regular top course to rotate them before I pack this one, go to the show or go to the teacher class. So I try to take out some and then pack everything and ship it out, so it doesn't dry up, so it can really good to ship it out or to pack this brush go somewhere else. So wherever we're going to go to show, right, and the brush already, I want to reuse it right again, all I have to do is just shove them inside liquid about 5 seconds and then take it out. The brush that get normal back again. So that's how I keep my brush every day, and I'll make sure my brush don't damage. Alright, let's talk about the tool bits. So guys, it's have two box here. One, we have the one already clean, cooked overnight with the sanitation with everything ready, and one we just done the customer, it's not clean, yes. Let you see ready, that bit got a little dull, but we have to clean up before we put inside machine to cook them and sanitize them a little bit. So you see the bit ready, get a little more powder. This one already clean, so you see how clean they are, and this one a little more have a dirt from the powder inside there. So normally you shop this one with the acetone overnight, shop them a few hours, but I feel that acetone can do this bits really quick. So go ahead and clean a little bit like this one. I use the tool, the clean tool, to take them out, all the dirt out, and it worked really good. Normally you have to want a metal one, but I don't want to do that because it can cause damage my bit. So I just want to use something is softer, it's not cause a lot of damage, so make my bit last longer. If I still see some dirt there, I'll take it up. I go them shop them with the liquid. I don't want to shop them with acetone because acetone can cause damage my tool because it's very strong. So I go ahead to use this one to shop them a little bit, and then go ahead to dry them in a towel. I take it out, and you see already all that dirt is gone. Let's dry one more time. All the dust is gone. You see already they clean again. So now you can take this one, go to cook them and sanitation them a little bit before you for next customer. So, and to keep my tool more safety and more clean without dust get around it, I go ahead to have a box like this and I'll put all my tool inside here. And when I'm done to clean up everything, I put all the tools, go back to the box and close it and get away from the dirt, everything. So I have 2 box here, one a dirty box and one is clean box. So this one go back clean and put inside the attendant station for each customer. And that's how I keep my tool clean and safe for I use for a few clients a day. Thank you to watch the video, guys, and hopefully this help you out to keep your tool clean and last long time. See you next video. Please share and subscribe.